Bear Champ Barbecuers. Today we're going to use another kettle, and we got a chimney lit up right now. I've used this. I grabbed it real cheap for camp, and it worked out so I could cook some really good food while we were there. And yeah, it worked out awesome. Wow, that smoke. Hoo, hoo. Anyway, so it's a Kingsford Kettle. I've already used it a few times. Got to clean it out a little bit, but it has the catch at the bottom, so you dumping the ash is a heck of a lot easier. So it's simple, cheap, but for 40 bucks, I mean, come on. I think brand new they're 75. That's decent. I already cooked pork ribs on this. They were baby backs. I did flanking style beef ribs on this, and burgers, and a spatchcock chicken. So, and I think I did a couple other things one night. I don't remember. Cheers, folks. That basket's coming up. Just a half basket of charcoal. We're going to throw on some chips with wood to get some smoke going. All we got is some chicken thighs, a couple of chicken tenderloin. I'm going to season that up, olive oil, and so I'm going to try this out. Blackstone chicken and herb. We'll see how that works out. Haven't tried it yet. Haven't even opened it to smell it, but we're using it. I'm not going to eat chicken tonight. I got ribs going. So, ribs and some sweet corn fritters we're going to do. Heck yeah, it's going to be decent. Let's check this Kingsford grill with the chicken. I did see a flaw. It's dripping. It's not going in the cup. It's coming on the outside. Look at that. Whatever. Chicken looks amazing. It's at 160. I just temped it just before this. That rub smells delicious. I was gonna barbecue sauce those, but that rub smells amazing. I think I'm going to leave it alone. It smells amazing. So I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. Let's sear those up, and we're ready to pull them very soon. To fix that leaking problem, just put a drip pan in there. You'll be all right. Now I got to clean this up. It's all right. It's raining right now, so it rains in here anyway. So until I seal this off for the winter, oh, don't say that deadly word. Oh, anyway, this chicken's going to be amazing. It smells delicious anyway. And, yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on right now. Let's congratulate ourselves. Although we're not done yet, so it might not be congratulations. We're just rewarding ourselves, all right? All right, folks. This chicken is just about done. I'm going to flip it one more time. That one's good. Ooh, boom. That one's good. Oh yeah. All right. Smells amazing, man. Get these flipped around one more quick time. Now it's done. Now it's done. Put it right over there. Sear it up. Grab a beer. Pull them off. Let them rest for a little while. Hell yeah, sun's coming back out. It was raining pretty much all day. Awesome. Great day. Yeah. Cut into these, we'll have a taste test. Probably just on one of the tenderloins. Although I do like thighs for sure. Oh, man, I got ribs too. Be ready to pull those on the other video. This chicken is done. Let's pull it off. Hell yeah, awesome chicken. I'm gonna foil this up and we're gonna let it rest for about 20 minutes. Bring it in. Everybody start eating. Kingsford charcoal grill, worked out decent. Here's a hunk of chicken tenderloin with that rub. Smells great. Let's get a taste. Not bad. That's really good. That rub's banging. Man. A touch salty, but really good. Salt's good. I bet you those thighs are way better though. Really good. Get yourself some of that. Get yourself a beer. I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.